Should you learn English?
Yes, I should learn English.
Will you have to go to Chittagong?
Yes, I will have to go to Chittagong.
Would you like to take a cup of tea?
Yes, I will.
Would like to.
Yes, I would like to take a cup of.
Are you feeling boring?
No, I am not feeling good.
Are you feeling good?
Yes, I am feeling good.
Have you any problem to speak English with me?
I have no problem speaking.
Do they feel good to speak English? তারা কি ভালো অনুভব করে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে? Yes.
They are feel good speaking English.
Very good. Will you join with us online session?
Yes, yes.
I will join
I will join.
our online session. Would you like to speak in English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Are you happy with me?
Yes, I am happy with you.
Are they happy with us?
Yes, they are happy with us. Are you forbidden to speak in English?
No, I am not forbidden to speak in English. দেখছেন কিভাবে সেন্টেন্স গুলো ইউজ করতে
Are you need to go?
Yes, do you need to go? Yes, I need to go. Need to হলে do they actually? Yes sir, I need to go. No sir, I don't need to go. আমার মনে হয় ওনার সাথে আরেকজন করলে ভালো হবে। নার্ভাসনেস সব দূর করে ফেলতে হবে।
Is you going to?
Right. একদম বাইরে ফেলে।
Is you going to Dhaka?
Are you going to Dhaka? Are you? Are you? No matter. ভুল করতে হতে হবে শিখবো।
Yeah, I will go to Dhaka. Would you like to go to Chittagong? Yes, I would like to go to Chittagong. Should you have to go to America? Yes, I should go to America.
Very good. I should have to go to America. আরেকটা।
Are you forbidden to play in the sky?
Yes. I am forbidden to play in the sky.
Are you likely to swim in the river? Yes, I am
likely to
swim in the river.
মানে কি তোমার কি নদীতে পুকুরে সাঁতার কাটা সম্ভব? সোজাগুলা ধরেন, উপরেগুলা ধরেন। হ্যাঁ।
Will you go to Kumila? Yes, I will go to Kumila. Can you write a letter? Yes, I can write a letter. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Would you like to go cinema?
দেখছেন?
Yes, I would like
to
cinema.
go to cinema. Okay, thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much, my dear sir, to say something about myself. At first, I would like to say, this is Miraz Ahamed. I came from Madaripur. Now I stay in Mirpur. We are 6 siblings in my family. 4 brother and 2 sisters. My father name is Abdul Razzaq Notbor. My mother name is Sazia Begum. Now I am do something for the society, and I will be able to speak in English. I will be a good teacher, a good speaker, inshallah, by the grace of Allah. All of you pray for me.
So how do you feel to join here today?
I am good feel join this seminar because I could not speak in English 2 or 3 person, but still I can speak in English in front of the audience.
আশাতে কি লস হইছে না লাভ হইছে?
Yes, I seem to be. It's a great gift for me. It's a great gift for me, and it's a very nice place.
বাংলায় বলেন কেমন লাগছে?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, শুকুর আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, খুবই ভালো ফিল করতেছি। বিকজ আমি কখনো ভাবি নাই যে আমি কখনো কারোর সামনে কথা বলতে পারতেছি। এর জন্য স্পেশালি স্যারকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই এবং আল্লাহর প্রতি লাখ কোটি শুকরিয়া জ্ঞাপন করছি।
আপনি কি মনে হচ্ছে আমরা এভাবে যদি ফলো করি ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা ইমপ্রুভ করতে পারবো?
ইনশাআল্লাহ উই উইল বি এবল টু ইমপ্রুভ ইন ফিউচার।
ইনশাআল্লাহ। দেখছেন, মানে আমি বাংলায় বলতে বলি উনি ইংলিশে বলে। দ্যাটস দ্য গ্ল্যামার অফ দিস সেমিনার। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। Big hands for him and pray for him.
May I come in, sir?
Please have a seat.
May I have a seat?
Yes,
sure.
Thank you, sir.
With whom I'm talking?
MD Miraz Hussain.
Miraz.
MD Miraz Hussain.
Okay,
talking
what's
with
your
you.
nickname?
It's my nickname. You can Miraz Ahmed.
Okay. So you applied for which post?
I Can't understand.
You applied for which post? What's your job?
Oh, I have no job at this time because I would like to a job for a
What was your experience?
I have 3 years experience
In which sector?
in medicine.
Medicine. What kinds of medicine? Can you tell me any medicine name?
Yeah, I can tell you some medicine as a like of antihistamine, Cetrin, Clarin, Azlor, Dipa, Hexovas, Rofamil, Emcas, Thurin. Its medicine is only use of antihistamine type of medicine.
Okay. So, what's your expected salary right now?
I would like to expect 30,000 taka.
That is, what's your future plan?
I would like to be a good speaker.
Okay. So, how do you feel to join in here today? আজকে আমাদের এখানে জয়েন করতে কেমন লাগলো?
I think it's a great opportunity for me because I can't 3 or 4 year practice any other and own self, but one day I get a facility and I learn more and more. I believe that the place is very suitable for me. The place is very facility give me to learn English.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No.
Okay. Thank you.
First of all, take my love and take my salam. Especially thanks chief guest Ellen Rohlamin sir. Thanks others teacher present here. Thanks Ellen Mobashir sir. Especially I would like to thank my God who dare to say something in front of you. Today's seminar arranged who helped the audience. I thank all of you. I would like to say today's seminar is not enough for us, but today's seminar gives us many things. I think today's seminar whose gives as a like of 21 structure and 125 plus vocabulary, not only 125 vocabularies, even with 3 form as a like of present, past and past participle include with this verb. I think if any kind person he would like to speak in English, he must be present as this workshop, and I think not only today but also he tried to level based only 2 or 3 months, he will be success and he will be speaking English from here. So this is Miraj Ahmed in front of you. My father name is Abdul Razak Madbor. My mother name is Sazia Begum. They are living a rural area. My permanent address in Madaripur. Now I stay at Mirpur in Dhaka. First time when I met with Mobashir sir and I saw him, what is my problem? I elaborated. He gives me some time. That time he pushed on me how to improve your life, improve your stand, improve get back from there. He said to me, why do you? All kinds of person, if they can able to speak English, why do you know? Why will do not? I believe that, society, I believe that you must will be a success and you must will be speaking English.
আমরা কতটুকু শিখতে পেরেছি দুই দিনে কি মনে হয়?
Today is not huge of time, but দুই দিন খুব বেশি সময় না, খুব অল্প সময়, কিন্তু 2 দিন 10-20 ঘন্টা আমরা নিশ্চয় করেছি। এই 20 ঘন্টার ভিতর আসলে আমরা যা শিখেছি, আমি মনে করি গত 10 বছরেও মনে হয় আমরা এইভাবে শিখতে পারি না। ইটস মাই পার্সোনাল অপিনিয়ন যে ওনার কোয়ালিটি, ওনার পড়ার সিস্টেম বা স্টাইল আসলে একজন মানুষকে একটা জায়গায় দাঁড় করানোর মতো, যেটা আসলে আমি অনেক জায়গায় খুঁজছি। আমি সার্চে ডিফারেন্ট কাইন্ডস অফ সাইট অ্যান্ড ডিফারেন্ট কাইন্ডস অফ academy, different kinds of teacher, but there are no gives us cordially teachers. So I am proud of you, especially এলএন Mobashir sir. He gives us 2 days that many things. We are able to speak in English. সুতরাং আমি এতটুকুই বলতে চাই যে সবশেষে স্যার যে একটা কথা বলে দিচ্ছে আমাদের, যে এই কথার উপর ভিত্তি করে কেউ যদি ফ্রম টুডে স্টার্ট হার লাইফ, হি উইল বি সাকসেস। লাস্টলি I want to say that day by day, in every way, we are getting better and better. I believe that. So thank you of all. Pray for me.